Hey guys, this is Geek Out Everything and we are back in another video guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your any mic as a headphone amplifier. Yes guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your mic a headphone amp. And guys, why I'm making this video is that it is actually a fun trick that I usually use. And like, what is the scene behind it is that, guys, whenever I use my headphones with the PC, then guys, whenever I just connect my headphones to the normal 3.5 headphone plug in the PC, the sound guys actually is pretty low from that, and it is actually not that convincing to me. So guys, what I usually do is just connect my headphones to this mic, and I usually take the output of the PC from this mic, so which is actually a good thing. And the hardware of this mic, as it is pretty good, the sound gets amplified and it's get really good. So I'm gonna just show you how you can do the same. So for that you need a headphones obviously, and a mic which has a headphone out port for monitoring stuffs, and just connect your mic to the PC and connect your headphones with the mic itself. And after that you have to go to your PC. So let me just show you the things that you have to do in your PC itself. Let's go. So guys, here we are, and here you just have to go to the sound settings, just go to the recording devices from there, and just go to the recording section, tap on your microphone, go to the properties, and then just go to the levels and just crank the volume all the way down, so you will not get to hear the sound headphones monitoring sound, sorry, the mic monitoring sound, so you will not get any kind of interruption there. So just do that, and then you just have to go to the playback devices and just set your mic as a default playback device. So yeah, that is the thing that you have to do. It's pretty easy and just a piece of cake, and nothing else you have to do, just close and it works, voila. So guys, that's how you can do this, and it is actually a fun trick that you can use to just amplify the sound for your headphones. And the sound also get pretty clear as I'm using this guys the sound via this mic. Whenever I just connect my headphones to this mic and use this trick, the sound that comes is actually pretty good. And how does it work is like the mic in the hardware gets in between the sound from your PC and your headphones, so it actually amplifies it. And guys, it works like, better the hardware, better the sound will come. So guys, if your headphones also slow sounds directly from the PC, then you can also use this trick and just amplify the sound, guys. So if you just like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do, guys. But if you like it, get subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And goodbye, see you later.